Good morning, Gus. Yes, things are going well, considering the increased demand for digital services at the library. How can I assist you today?
Given the critical importance of reliable internet for today's libraries, I'd like to introduce you to T-Mobile's Business Internet. This service can really improve your library's digital services. Are you open to discussing the details?
Absolutely, I'm all ears.
Thank you for considering our business internet services. We understand that finding the right connectivity solution can be challenging, especially when other options have failed. That's why we take pride in offering dependable fixed wireless options that meet your specific needs.
Interesting. We've been considering options for a more reliable and scalable solution. Tell me more.
Of course. One of our standout features is the flexibility of our plans. We offer unlimited data options, starting at just $45, including hardware essential for a high-traffic environment like a library. And it's not just about the data. We offer 24/7 support and include productivity filtering options to ensure connectivity is used for educational and meaningful purposes.
Productivity filtering would indeed be beneficial for a library setting.
I thought you might say that. In terms of hardware, we have a range of devices like the Inseego FX2000, designed for various organizational needs. They're easy to install, and we offer full support in getting them up and running.
Ease of installation is a huge plus for us, given our limited IT resources.
I understand where you are coming from, and our goal is to make the process as smooth as possible. Would you consider arranging a follow-up consultation with our support team to discuss how we can customize our services to meet your library's needs?
Gus, I believe scheduling a consultation would be a beneficial next step. Shall we proceed with that plan?
I appreciate the opportunity to delve deeper into ways to strengthen the library's dedication to better serving the community and advancing education.
I greatly appreciate your valuable insights, as they are instrumental in helping me navigate the path ahead.
Thank you, Director. At T-Mobile, our ambition extends beyond mere service provision. We strive to elevate the library into a cornerstone of knowledge and community engagement. Together, let's redefine the realm of possibilities for what a library can accomplish.